Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Adobe Express application. To log out of Adobe Express, go ahead and open your Adobe Express application first. Once you open up the application, from the main home page of Adobe Express, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. Now, click on the Sign Out button at the bottom and you will then be able to log out of Adobe Express application. So that is how you easily sign out of Adobe Express app in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.